the video, everyone. This is the RC car that it's a racing remote controlled car that I've just purchased off of Amazon for about $70. This is a toy that I just bought to drive around when we go out for walks and maybe hikes, just to have fun, just to make our walks a little bit more interesting. So let's open it up here. I have my wife here helping me open it up while I talk through it. Here's the manual. So kind of tells you the different parts in case you break it and how to fix it. Alright, let's pull it out of the box. Okay, so this is the controller, I believe. That's the twist turn controller. Alright, comes with 4 rechargeable batteries, the green batteries. Here's the controller with the twist turner, as well as the trigger in the bottom, which helps you accelerate, decelerate. That's the charger. You can charge 2 at a time only. Would have preferred if there were a charging case that charged all 4 batteries at the same time. I believe the car takes 2 batteries at the same time. Alright, let's put that away and pull out the actual car. Alright, I got the blue one. It's a very nice looking color. I think it's zip tied onto the box. Alright, yep, let's cut through that. It's a Chinese product, so not the best unboxing experience. They could have used some easy to take off tape, but they decided to zip tie it here, which is okay. I mean, $70 for this crazy awesome car. It goes up to 25-30 miles an hour, which is insanely fast. Takes off pretty quickly. That's the power on and off button. Here's the controller, and that's what we have here. I'm gonna go ahead and set it all up, put the batteries in. It does require some AAA batteries there to run the remote controller. I'm gonna put the batteries in and get it going and show you how it drives. Yep, those will not fit in there. Those are just for the RC car. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I am gonna add some video at the end here of me driving around the RC car.